It's called Five Timeless Leaves. And again, I'm exploring the symmetry of uneven numbers. This time the number 5, there are 5 large leaves on 5 branches, and each branch has 5 smaller leaves, and each of those leaves have 5 stylized veins. So that's about it. The number 5 appears in human history quite a bit. We have 5 extremities, we have 5 senses, and it spills over into religion too. The number 5 appears in Islam and Hindu and Hebrew and Christian traditions. But besides anything that it might mean or symbolize, the number 5 creates beautiful things, be they starfish or pansies. Anyhow, this doesn't have any deep meaning. We're in kind of a time of chaos, both individually and as a nation, and so I just hope to make something that is peaceful, brings serenity and restful. That'd be my greatest aim. And I'm very much opposed to artists talking a great deal about their work. They often, by describing a work, inhibit people from what they may see in a work. In my own personal experience, I have found that what people find in my work or what they see or imagine sometimes is quite a bit better or superior to what I intended. So that's it.